definitely gotta get some food real quick. Let me get something from here real quick. Let's see up here.
How may I help you?
What's the meal of fortune?
I'm sorry?
What's the meal of misfortune? Hello?
The meal of misfortune is just a 10-piece nugget, small fry, and then a small Raven's blood fry.
Ooh, let me get that meal of misfortune. Can I get spicy chicken nuggets?
Spicy nuggets. Anything else?
I just want the meal the exact way it is on the screen. That's really cool.
And that's gonna be order?
Yeah, that's it. Can I get some honey mustard and barbecue sauce too, please?
Honey mustard and barbecue, no problem. It comes with its own mystery sauce. You still want to add your sauce?
Yeah, I want the mystery sauce too, though.
Okay, with honey mustard and barbecue, got you.
Yeah.
That'll be $10.81.
And then can you make I can't wait for the fresh chicken nuggets. I just pull forward.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, bet we finna get these chicken nuggets. Finna get this Wednesday meal, y'all. This y'all gonna be so lit. I'm so excited, y'all. We getting this Wednesday meal. I have my day going flash on, so we finna get this Wednesday meal, the meal of mystery. I definitely got I've been ODing tonight when it comes to food and drinks and buying stuff. But it's okay because I'm celebrating myself and I'm celebrating my wins. And I'm also checking stuff off my to-do list for my future. What are you doing for your future? What are you doing for your future? I'm getting the Wednesday meal, the meal of misfortune. I told him I'll wait for my fresh chicken tenders. Spicy chicken tenders at that. And so I'm super excited about it. And I think it's gonna be really good. I have chocolate in my teeth, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm on active food. I'll be going to somebody got packs to move. I'm like, gee,
God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down.
Snack in the middle of my meal. We're gonna park right here in a waiting parking lot. Just right here. Yeah, focus up. Ooh. It's so bloody. It's so bloody.
I was like, is everything all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm vlogging.
It looks cool, huh?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a review of it for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah. And so it's so cool. It's
Yeah,
so
with
much.
all 4 fruit mystery flavors.
Ooh, thank you so much. Yes. Perfect. All right, you have a good night. Let's go try this food. We'll be right back. Oh, mystery flavor. What the fuck she talking about? Oh, mystery flavor. Okay, she did me a damn. Yeah, she did give me a damn one. I'm motherfucking ooh. The mystery flavors. Girl, what you talking about, girl? Yeah, what you put me on to, girl? That's what I need this for, you know? This hair gonna change. I got these tight ass pants on. And I can't even lie, y'all. They sucking the life out of me. I need to put some different pants on real quick before I even get comfortable. And try to eat some, because I know I could. You know, we're gonna change anyway. We're gonna start with the bottoms. That's it. And that's what we're gonna start with first. And then, honestly, I'm about to take my motherfucking bra off. Excuse the language. I'm gonna take my motherfucking bra off. Because at the end of the day, this is my car. What are you looking at? I'm looking at me, repeating Tom. I don't see you looking at me though, because I'm looking at him, see if he's looking at me, and he looking at me. So that's good. So I'm about to change my pants real quick. So these tight ass jeans can get off of me. Because these jeans were just for the dang on car meet. These ain't for sitting in a car and trying no good food. And so I see a couple walking out. You know, they have some good ass food where they smacking on that shit. And I really want to go inside there and wash my hands. Oh, excuse me. For now that I think about it. I'm throwing my slides on as well. Ooh, a whole transformation. It feels so good. I think I'm gonna go in there, wash my hands. Throw this on the shirt real quick. That'd be cool. Hold on a second, yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, back. So I got this thing called Boogaloo Book. Which, what? Dang, $1 kids meal. This is lit. Ooh. This is a good look. This nigga over here was waiting for his, I don't know how long he waiting for his rap for, but, and I got me a little spoon. She said she gave me all 4 of the mystery sauces. I'm like, okay. For the mystery sauces, honey bun. Let's see what I got in here. Actually, the bag is actually hard too. A little detail. Usually I have it the bag, but I'll show y'all bag preview later. Fries fresh. Barbecue. Mystery sauce. Okay. Nugget. Let's see. Let's smother it and see. I don't really like it. Fried chest. It's kind of like spicy. Okay, yeah, the same shit? No. But she gave me the same sauce over and over again. She gave me a different version of it and they all look purple. Okay, bet. That's a different sauce. Boom. This one is reddish. So look at that. That one's better. This one is red like blood. See, that's still spicy, but it's tolerable. I do have spicy chicken nuggets though. So she told me she gave me 3. So that means I have 1 more. Okay, this one seems like a little more syrupy. Please be syrupy. Please don't be weird. It looks black. Looks like black syrup and tar. Come on, Wednesday. Dang, I gotta be so miserable. I like that one the most. I can mess with that one. I can mess with that one. I can mess with that one. And this one is softer. It's like maple syrup mixed with honey. Let me show you all 3 different types of sauce they got. You can literally tell the difference by the color. And these are all the Wednesday sauce. Oh my God. But wait, there's one more that I haven't opened yet. It's white. Oh my gosh, this lady really did something. She literally made sure I got all the different flavors. This one is white. Look at that. She's miserable. Wednesday's miserable. She needs some love. But she's gonna mess me up with these flavors. I don't get it. I'm gonna waste my whole little 2 pieces on my little fry. On the Wednesday. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Hot funny burger. I mean, oh nigga, you got no burger. You always have my headlights is on. How get him? If you watch my comment video, you'll know exactly where I got that from. If you haven't watched it, go watch it now. That's a clip from it. My nuggets are like extra spicy. And if I try this again, I'll try regular nuggets. Put me on this car show in Austin, Texas. And in Houston, Texas. Who could be the best car? We're putting you and your rival against each other. Ooh. I don't know why I makes me want to hit myself. But honestly, the winner of all the flavors that I tried today is I can put this in here. Is that honey one? That honey fifth one. That one is the best one. Honestly, I'm about to mix the honey one and that blueberry one together and see what I get. That hit. That hit. That hit every spot. That raspberry and that honey. That raspberry and that honey. But the raspberry and the honey, and you know they will taste good. Go fry it. You know, you dig at the bottom, you can't find your fry, but you're hungry and you're tired. You don't feel like when God say, I found a fry for you. Jesus is a way. Jesus is a way maker. Let's see. Why do I taste them a little bit when I eat my fry? definitely 9 out of 10. Only because I already got the spicy chicken nuggets. I should have got the regulars. But once I found that good flavor mixture though, it was perfect. Alright guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm definitely tired. Make sure you guys watch the car video. Make sure you guys watch the video of me updating my hair and not eating the Halloween snacks. And make sure y'all stay supportive, man, because I'll talk to y'all later. Call me back. This is the bag, and what I was trying to show y'all, that I would show y'all. It was actually pretty creative. It had like all these texts and stuff like that on it, and it was really customized. I love the detail that they had on it. Jesus loves you more than I ever could. Peace.